Welcome, this is Denome, and this is a market update for the Bitcoin and crypto markets, and today is 16th of February. And today is a very interesting day. As you can see, Bitcoin is up about 11% and about 50% up in the last 90 days. But Bitcoin is not the interesting part here. In my opinion, the interesting part is everything else except Bitcoin right now. So as you can see, everything almost here is on the green, and we are looking at my favorite coins here, or list of coins that I'm currently following. Some of the interesting ones, in my opinion, right now, if you're just to basically make this video short for you, is Dogecoin, because as you can see, Dogecoin is lagging a lot behind, and at the end of the video I will talk about more why I'm investing more into Dogecoin right now, so stick for that as well. Other thing that in my opinion is very, very interesting are basically the medium, small cap, and especially the micro cap coins out there, because if we just sort these by the amount of move these coins have had in the last 90 days, I actually had a bag of GraphLink from the previous bull run, and this is up just because I bought this much higher than where it was at the all-time low. So for that reason, I'm just happy to get rid of half of my GraphLink, and the market cap is still quite low. I think this could go up to $80 million, so it still has room to grow, but I just wanted to basically sell at this this very insane pump. And there are some other altcoins out there that already made like the 10x or 20x, and those are basically the micro cap altcoins out there. I'm not following every coin out in the market, but these are some of the coins that I'm currently following. Another interesting coin that I actually mentioned 12 days ago, you can see the icon here in this thumbnail, is called Selfkey. So if you take a look at Selfkey, that is up 50% just in the last 24 hours. So if you actually watched my video from 12 days ago, you were aware of this coin and why I think this is very interesting trend that goes alongside with the AI trend. So basically with the AI, you will see more deep fakes, more like counterfeited videos, and Selfkey allows you to have a decentralized digital identity to basically have control over your own personal details, but then just give the bare minimum to whatever provider you want to give details to. And Selfkey also allows you to kind of hedge against this craziness of these deep fakes, and eventually we will have some sort of a digital identity system that everybody has to basically take, and this kind of goes into that digital identity niche. So that goes alongside with AI. That's why I invested in this one, and still this is down 93% from its all-time high, Selfkey. So this actually still has a lot of room to grow. I sold 25% of my Selfkey stash on this pump. If it goes down, I will buy more. If it just continues to go up, I will be selling, but I'm not gonna sell all of it for quite a while, just because I believe this narrative will carry on, and it might have a crazy bull run going forward as well. But there are some other coins that I invested in the last week, like Ridotto. I don't even know that much about this. It's some sort of a roulette coin. I don't even know. I think it's like a $2 million market cap or so. I invested in Jasmy. It's apparently some Japanese coin. It's down like 97% from its all-time high. Engine Starter, I invested in this one. It's still down 99% from its all-time high. It's just like degening into different coins out there that might still have a pump, because usually what tends to happen with a bull run, and if this is a bull run, is that Bitcoin pumps first, then large caps, then medium caps, then small caps, then micro caps. So for the past week, what we have seen is basically a pump, a crazy pump of these micro caps, and today we had another pump from the Bitcoin. So we may see another cycle of pumps. You already saw all these large caps pump together with Bitcoin, but we may see another bullwhip effect on the small caps and on the micro caps. And if you're interested into investing into small caps or micro caps, what I basically just what I'm doing myself is I just go to YouTube and I write small cap crypto and I watch these top 10 lists from all these random YouTubers that I don't even know of to basically get ideas of what's an interesting small cap crypto and if it has pumped yet or not. If it has not pumped yet, I'm just probably gonna not even do that much research on it, just put a little bit capital there and wait for something to happen or for me to lose interest on it. Another search term that you can use is micro cap crypto and watch these videos here, or low cap crypto and watch these top 10, top 5 lists of different YouTubers. Don't watch anything like more than a month old. That's already gonna be too unrelated information. But if you find a coin from here, if that YouTuber has covered that token in the past, they will probably cover it again later on, just because everything else in their portfolio has already pumped. So they will make a video about some small cap coin that they are holding that did not pump yet. That's basically your exit liquidity. It's just abusing these YouTubers, even abuse YouTubers like me. But this is basically what I'm doing. And now if we take a look at Bitcoin chart, you can see that we're just hitting this resistance here. If we go through it, then the next one will be $28,000 on Bitcoin. And that's basically one of my larger areas where I'm actually looking to exit a little bit, because it's the bottom of this area as well. So it's like a strong resistance area, because it's not only that it has liquidity from here, it has liquidity from here as well that may want to actually close their trades. So anyway, $28,000 for Bitcoin is basically what I'm looking at. Of course, it may not happen. Maybe we have a dump from here, but that's basically my exit zone for at least some of my capital. So I'm not exiting my Bitcoin positions yet, except I actually sold some of my Bitcoin here for Doge. Because if we take a look at Doge BTC, and now this is the part where I talk about the Doge. Well, Doge, I made a separate video how to interpret the Doge chart, and we're still in this downtrend channel here, but as you can see, we're basically at the far end of this channel. I was waiting for a breakout from this already when Doge had a 14% pump against Bitcoin here on the daily chart. I did not sell my Doge back to BTC on this one. Then Doge dumped here, and now Doge is basically just lagging everything else on the charts on the coin market cap. And it has a lot of support below this line. You could even throw a trend line here, which looks like this. So we may go lower on the Doge here, and it's fine. There's a lot of support below here as well. So I'm expecting a pump here. And what we have on the chart right now is we made a lower low on the chart, but as you can see from the RSI, we have a higher low. So there's a divergence going on at the moment. It's not confirmed yet, but personally, I'm just expecting some kind of a move out of this channel. And when that breakout finally comes with Doge, what typically happens is that the breakouts from Doge are just like massive, crazy pumps. So that's basically what I'm kind of waiting to happen from Doge. Is once we get out of this channel, we are expecting some kind of like a huge, massive dildo, and that's basically my exit signal. But I'm not having that yet, so I'm just buying more Doge using Bitcoin here. And another reason, and this may be yesterday, the new CEO of Twitter is amazing, and a picture of a Doge or a picture of a dog with Twitter. So there's some speculation going on. Will Elon Musk actually implement Dogecoin as a payment method for Twitter? And this has 1 million likes, but the price of Doge has not pumped yet. And if we scroll down on Elon Musk's Twitter, he has another picture of a dog here, basically retweeting a Doge designer tweet here. Twitter board of directors is at Elon Musk, and they have the Doge here, and he has another Doge here and another Doge here, and then he even tweeted just like Dogecoin as one tweet here as well. So maybe nothing is happening. Maybe this is just some bullshit memeing going on. But for me, I think that's worth a shot. And maybe Elon Musk has some crazy announcement to make about this. Maybe not. Maybe it's nothing, but at least the downside risk of Doge is quite low in my opinion. Unless Elon just wants to exit his positions and dump on us. That's always a possibility as well. But basically that's everything. Yeah. Actually, I'll show you this one as well. Just because this is interesting, it doesn't help you become a better investor. But basically, one of the reasons for this recent pump is that there happens to be several institutions that actually bought or placed $1.6 billion of capital into crypto market since February 10. So basically in the last week, $1.6 billion of liquidity has entered the crypto markets, and they explain the moves here and the speculation on the institutions here. $400 million from these addresses. Then there was $143 million of capital from these addresses that basically flowed from Circle pump right now. And I'm expecting if funds are getting back into the game, that they would like to have some more profits than just 1 week of holding the assets there and then exiting. So for that reason, I'm kind of looking forward to kind of like a sustained upward trend on the Bitcoin and on the crypto markets as well. But what we can do right now is basically invest into altcoins that have strong base, maybe are hyped up by YouTubers, small caps or medium micro caps, and then just ride the waves basically and sell on the pump, buy on the pullback, sell on the pump, buy on the pullback. Basically, that's my strategy going forward as well. Anyway, that's it for this update. Let me know if you have some altcoins that basically fit my criteria, and I will take a look at it as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, consider actually subscribing to my channel so we can break that 40,000 subscribers here on the channel as well. Anyway, that's it for this update. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.